This is a quick tutorial on how to create subjects. As a tutor who has just signed up, next thing is for you to create subjects. That way, students, when you come into book tutors, they will see the subject you specialize in. Right. So you click sign up as a tutor, scroll all the way down to where it's written sign in. Okay. You are It's showing sign in as a student because you have activated sign up as a tutor or sign in as a tutor. So the option here is as a student, but we want to log into the tutor dashboard. That way we can create a subject. You enter your credentials and you enter your credentials. Here's the dashboard. So far I've created 5 subjects in all. I need to create an additional subject just to show you how to create yours as well. Okay, another key thing here, even though I'll be making subsequent videos on each of those menus here, but my interest is here on manage account. Go to profile, click on profile. You should ensure that your location is in order. I'm currently in England and that's my location. If it's not showing your location, click on recalibrate location. That way it will pick your place, your current location, and it will match you with the students in those regions. Okay, I'm signing as a tutor. You can see it's here to tutor. If you were to be a student, it will show student, but as a tutor. Okay, so I'll scroll the way down and onboard my bank. If you're in Nigeria, you can click any of the banks that you bank with here. But if you're not, if you're in the UK, just like myself, you go to my other banks. Okay, you click here and then you onboard your account. It will take you to Stripe, a partner company, that settles the payment. So you need to onboard your account number with them. Okay. People in the US, people in Canada, you should also, any other country apart from Nigeria, you need to choose this option to onboard your bank account. Without onboarding your bank, you won't be able to create subjects. Okay. Any questions? Feel free to type in below this video and then we will try to respond. Right. So next is create subject. But before I create subject, I like to view subject I've created. Like I mentioned earlier, that on the dashboard, the overview, I've created 5 subjects. So let's see those subjects I have created. View subjects. These are the 5 subjects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've created 5 subjects now. Okay. So I want to create an additional subject so that it's to just as a pointer for you to create yours. So I'll click on create subject, then I'll scroll down to department. Department are the areas of specialization. If you're in the IT, you want to choose that. Creating the subject in academics. I'm creating the subject in academics. I'll choose that and then I'll scroll all the way down. I want to create our core pure mathematics 2. That's an A-level math. I'll click that and I will put my rate. I'm charging £40 an hour. I'm based in the UK. That's why it's showing this currency symbol. Okay, pounds. Then the session type is a hybrid online. Anyone that suits you, feel free to choose it. I'm choosing online. This time I'm going to choose hybrid. Okay. Then the teaching level, you teaching, is it a beginner or intermediate student or advanced student or all levels. I can teach all levels. So I'm going to choose all levels. Okay, then the session period is a morning, afternoon, evening. I prefer evening sessions. And then what days? Sunday, Saturday, Fridays, and on Wednesdays. Then I'll save. That's all done. If I go back to view subjects, you see I've created 6 subjects in all. All right. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and then one of us will respond to you very quickly. And also do well to upload a very nice photo, plain background, so that anyone who is booking, you'll be able to see the at least put a face to the name of the person they're booking. All right. Any question, feel free to ask. Bye for now.